pieces to remove that, and remove this wall, opened it up.
So this was a really small living room.
Really small living area that was dark. It was still kind of dark. There's no light yet, but there will be a light.
So we got this painted, but we still have baseboard trim that needs to be painted.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to get Veronica back out here, I guess. And the kitchen is basically a total remodel.
Basically, from the ground up.
Yeah. Okay.
New granite, new deep sink, nice faucet.
New granite countertop, new deep sink.
Stainless appliances. This will all be painted. Very nice.
Okay, yeah, so Ruth is getting ready to paint all of that. The cabinets, the drawers, everything. Yeah.
These cabinets.
Okay.
It's a huge cabinet.
Yeah, well, it's going to be over the refrigerator, so yeah, that's going to be really good. Basically opened up the course of the living room and the kitchen into this one room, so we got one giant great room now. And it's going to be fun for people in here because you have the kitchen, you can sit at the counter.
Right, you actually have storage under here now, which you didn't have before.
Yeah, all brand new homemade or handmade cabinets. The big issue with the master bedroom was what?
With the bedroom portion, I would say it was the platform.
That big platform down there at the end.
The platform and the shape, which we fixed the shape with this secondary closet, the his and hers closet.
And the shape being
It was a rectangle.
like a giant tunnel.
Right, right.
And so now it looks like a normal room. And we picked up the extra closet. So we actually have two closets. You know, this one's pretty good size, that one's not bad. So like his and her closet, which I think is going to be great. So we're making progress. We've still got some ways to go though in that room. Okay?
All right.
What else? We might as well go over and
Go to this bedroom.
Ruth's made good progress on that bathroom.
So this went from a 23.5-inch door for 22.
It wasn't even quite 24.
Right, it was just shy of 24. Now it's a 30-inch door.
Which of course means I have no trouble walking through it. Okay. And we had to knock out this whole thing, and including the old tub and everything there.
Gutted, completely gutted.
And so we completely gutted this, and we put in a new tub, and we've got new fixtures, and then we got the tile. So we still got some ways to go, but
And here's the new countertop with the new faucet.
yeah.
These cabinets will be painted white, just like the kitchen.
Okay. What about this room down here? This was a very interesting room when we bought the house.
Multi-tone.
Meaning?
We had some purple, some tan, some red.
I think at some point we figured out that this room was red. So it's probably a kid's room.
Probably.
Somebody made the mistake of asking their kid, what color would you like this room? And they said red, and they painted it red. So then they decided, well, that wasn't any good. So they came, and I think that wall down there was purple, and this was like a brown or something.
Yeah, like a
They
tannish
got purple
brown.
and brown, okay, or tan, or whatever. So anyway, it's all alpaca now. Looks like Ruth's here. Hola.
Hola, good morning.
¿Cómo está?
Very good.
Welcome.
Thank you.
We were admiring all of your great work.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
We get in there.
So, on the kitchen, you were planning to,
We,
see,
we
made a few new drawers.
Yes, brand new. We threw away the old ones because we had the old hardware.
Okay.
And these are full extension, hinges, hardware. And we use the same old, covers. I'm gonna
Okay.
paint them all white,
Yeah.
inside and out.
So you're gonna paint it all white,
Yes.
inside and out, okay?
Caulk them and make them look like $1 million cabinets.
Okay.
And, yeah, all this is gonna start shaping up. Nice.
It is. I love the granite countertop.
Yes, 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 indeed. So,
Okay, and we were looking at this bathroom across this way.
yep,
So let's go across the way to the other,
room.
to the master bedroom.
These doors gonna be white,
Yep.
and I think this is gonna be a dark taupe gray. This is gonna be white,
Okay.
and that's not gonna be anything there. We're just changing the electrical fixtures to be white,
Okay.
and yeah, this bedroom is gonna be.
This is the master.
This is the master bedroom.
So we had one long giant tunnel room, as Jack and I were talking about earlier.
Yes.
And then we added this closet,
Extra closet.
right?
So, and then, yeah, he's gonna have a nice fan in there.
So Veronica needs to get the trim
Yeah.
working.
Yeah. Yeah, no, this one still needs, a lot of work. We still
Okay.
need to finish that.
Okay.
And Rolando is coming today to finish this, to start doing the tile for the
Doing the tile for the shower.
shower. He's coming to do that today to work on this and get me this ready so we can install a new toilet.
Okay.
But, so in the next 3 days, we're gonna see good changes.
Okay, we got a new countertop here, new sink.
Yeah, it's all covered with all this, but we will show you in the next video how good we can clean up all this mess.
Okay, that's a deal.
Yes.
All right.
This is the 8th week.
I don't know. Is it the 8th
November-
week?
No, yeah.
What week is it, Jack?
This is the 7th or 8th week.
This is
Yeah, 7. We started on the
week
11th.
10.
Yeah, it's about 7 or 8 week from week.
Week 10?
I think it's week 10.
Really?
Well, we did all of December, all of January.
Oh, January. So
And then
the
2 weeks
4th.
of-
Yeah, week 10. I correct. You're right.
Jack, what happened to your 30-day plan?
Ruth.
Okay. No, I have to admit it. A couple of weeks I've been unfaithful to this project. I had other.
Well, that's okay. You know, we're not too
So,
worried about
it
that.
was 2
Jack's worried about that. I'm not worried about that.
Okay. Yeah, I had to.
Because I know you have other projects.
Yes, I had other
All right.
projects going on, but.
So we got the, we've got all the cabinets have got one coat.
They have
in the
2
kitchen?
coats. They have 2 coats of. We put Kills primer
Okay,
to seal all the dark wood that it had.
okay,
We wash them and clean them and
Okay.
sand them and caulk them. So, and then now we put it has 1 coat of oil base, that way they're gonna look almost brand new. And, we're getting ready to put the 2nd coat inside of those cabinets. Yeah, doors as well, all the doors and drawers will have 2 or 3 coats.
okay.
And,
So
so,
all these have been primed.
prime and painted.
Now the drawers have all been painted.
Yes. Yeah, no, everything will have, at the end it's gonna have 3 coats, but we're.
3
almost
coats?
there. 3 coats,
Okay.
okay, yes.
All right.
And, so, in the kitchen, that's in progress. And, over here,
All right, so we got all the tile in.
yes, we did. Finally,
We haven't had Veronica here yet.
no, not yet.
When you told me she was gonna be here last week.
I'm gonna have her once I have all the baseboards in. I'm gonna have her 2 or 3 days. But I want you to keep on rock and rolling instead of stopping every 2 hours. What do I do next? So it's not worth it.
I got you.
It's not worth it for Veronica to come for 2 days, for 2 hours, And,
No.
And so I need her all day and maybe 2 or 3 days consecutive.
All right, so we're gonna get the new baseboards in.
Yeah.
Probably
So Jack did put the new fans.
I noticed, he's got the new fan in here too, the new
Yes.
fan in here. Got the new, what's that chandelier or whatever it is in the dining room.
Right.
And got the big fan in here.
Yes.
Okay, I think that looks great. Okay, let's go into the bedroom. The boudoir. What happened to the plate that goes on here?
No idea.
Well, it was here.
We'll find it.
Okay.
So,
And got that fan up.
yeah,
And we moved the switches.
we did.
So there's the fan switch. This is the light switch. That's great. And we moved that other switch over here.
Which is the little hallway here.
Okay. And hung the new door.
Anyway,
Okay.
all right. In here,
In this one.
painting is in progress, same thing.
Yep.
Bathroom is done. I mean, shower is done.
Shower's done and looks great.
And we got a brand new door. It just needs some cleaning. And Agustin is supposed to come, the texture guy, to finish texture.
Texture guy's gonna come and texture.
Texture and paint.
Perfect.
And, so we need framing, trim.
Okay.
That fireplace will get permanent paint. And the French door.
The mantle, you mean?
I'm sorry, yeah, fireplace, mantle.
Yeah.
Mantle and brick.
Okay, and the brick.
And brick will get painted.
Okay. Yeah, we're taking that down and putting that same,
Same as the,
exactly same light fixture as we put in the dining room.
yeah.
Okay. Good.